Hi, I'm Anna with Heartwood Art. If you like to design in SketchUp, you often need to resize a component or move a single part of a whole component. And that's exactly what I'll teach you here today. So let's dive in. First, let's have a look at how to resize a single board that you've made into a component. So hit R on your keyboard for the rectangle tool. Click and drag that out a bit. Let's just do a common board of 24 inches and 7.25 width. Let's zoom into that. Let's give it some height. Hit P for the push-pull. Click and drag up and input 7.5. Hit Enter. Now let's make it a component. Space bar, triple click, G for the component dialog. We're going to call this baseboard and click Create. Okay, now let's say that I meant to make it 26 inches long instead of 24. So all I have to do is double click it, and you can see the dotted box that encloses it now. That puts it into edit mode. And then click on the face that you want to change. In this case, it's the end one because we want to make it longer. And if I zoom in, you can see that's selected. So I hit M for the move tool and click and drag it out. Be careful to keep it on your red axis. And you can even input the exact length you want, which is 2 inches more in this case. So type in 2 and hit Enter, and there it is. Let's zoom out. I'm going to orbit and pan here and move it over, and we can check that measurement. T for the tape measure tool. Let's get on this endpoint. Click once, let go of your mouse button, and move it all the way to the end. And you can see it's spot on at 26. Hit spacebar to get out of that. Now, let's say I wanted to make it shorter. Same thing. I'm going to hit orbit and turn around here so we can see that face again. Hit M for the move tool and click and drag it. And you can input the distance you want, let's say 3 inches, and hit Enter. And there it is. Now let's see how to edit a single component that's inside a larger component. So let's hit spacebar and click anywhere to deselect that. Let's draw a vertical board. Hit R for the rectangle tool. Let's draw this out right here. And we're going to put it on the end. So 0.75, comma. Let's make it 7.25 to match the board. Hit Enter, P for push-pull. Click and drag up a bit. Let's make it 5 inches. Hit Enter. Let's make it a component. Spacebar, triple click, G. And we're going to call this vertical. And click Create. Now let's move it into place. Hit M for the move tool. I'm going to grab this outside corner and place it right there. Now, let's make this whole thing a component. Hit spacebar and click and drag a box around the whole thing. Then hit G. We're going to call this whole frame and click Create. Now, let's say we want this board to be taller and we need a way to edit just it. So click anywhere to deselect it, double click, and that puts the whole thing in edit mode, but we just want to work with this one. So double click on just it and see how it has a dotted box around just it. That means you can edit just that one thing. And it's just like before. I'm going to zoom in. Click on the face you want to edit. To select it, hit M for the move tool and click and drag just it up. Let's say we want it to be 2 inches taller, so input 2, hit Enter, and there you go. Now, let's say we want to move this board to another place besides the end. I'm going to zoom out. We want to hit spacebar for the selection tool and click on an empty spot. Now, that deselected that one component, but the rest of it is still in edit mode. Now we can click once on this board to select it. Hit M for the move tool. You can actually grab it anywhere, but I'm going to get it on this endpoint because I want to keep it even with the board. Drag in the direction that you want to go and input how far. Let's say 3.5 inches. Hit Enter. And there it is. And to deselect everything, hit spacebar, click on an empty spot. Okay, that's it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful SketchUp tips, and I'll see you in the shop.